Hello children, hope you are all doing good. So in today's class we are going to learn about the place value chart. Okay, so we have learned something about the place value in the previous classes, right? So if you are having a number, okay, we know to write the number name, right? So by the use of place value chart only we can write the number name. Okay, so what are all the place values we have learned? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and then crore. Okay children, so let us do the exercise. Okay, in page number 27. Yeah, see, take your book, page number 27. We are going to fill this. Okay, fill in the correct numbers in the following tables. Okay, so I had drawn the table on the board. Okay, let us complete it. Okay children, so first of all we need to find in 1 crore. Okay, so 1 crore we know it is the smallest 8-digit number. Okay, the smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Okay, so we need to write the 1 crore. Okay, here, okay, in ones place. Okay, 1 crore is it's an 8-digit number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, it's the smallest 8-digit number. Okay children, so for tens we need to leave 1 digit. Okay, we need to leave 1 digit and write here. Okay, tens means we know it is 10, right? 10, so that just we need to leave. So tens means it is the smallest 2-digit number. Okay, so hundreds means it is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, thousands it is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, and 10,000, okay, it is 10,000 and then lakhs, okay, it is lakhs and 10 lakhs, okay, and then crore, so it is the smallest 8-digit number. Okay, okay, let us do this. Okay, so first of all we are returned the ones. Okay, so 1 crore. In 1 crore we are having 1 crore times ones. Okay, so we need to write the same 1 crore in this place. Okay, then we are going to do the tens place. Tens place means how many zeros we are having? Only 1 0, right? So that we need to hide only 1 0 and write it here. Okay, we know a crore is the smallest 8-digit number. So we are just leaving only 1 0. Okay, so we will get a 7-digit number. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay children. Okay, and also we can put comma here. Okay, see, we know ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, in a place value. Okay, in an Indian system. Okay, let me teach you about clearly. First of all, let me put comma. Okay, so in a number we need to put comma by counting from the right to left. Okay, right lend left ku varra mari comma podnu. So first of all we need to count 3 and put comma. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Now you can insert a comma. Okay, and then we can count 2 digits and then put comma. Okay, and after that count 2 digits and then put comma. Okay, so that it's 1 crore. And again just count 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then put comma and then count 2, 1, 2, put comma. Now we are having 2, so that it is 10 lakhs. Okay, now 10 lakhs times tens we are having in a crore. Okay children, and then in hundreds how many zeros? 2 zeros. So that from this 1 crore we need to leave 2 zeros. Okay, 2 zeros we need to leave and then we need to write the remaining numbers. Okay children, so how many digits we will have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 digits. Okay, so 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay children, so let us include the comma. Okay, insert the comma. So first of all we need to start counting from the right to left. Okay, right lend left ku move aagradhu madri. First we need to count 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then insert a comma, and then count to 1, 2 and insert comma, and then remaining we are having only 1. So that it is 1 lakh time hundreds are there in a crore. Okay children, and then thousands, in the previous class itself I have taught you, right? So if it is 1000, okay, we are going to find how many thousands are there in 1 crore. So how will you find? We need to write crore here. So crore is the smallest 8 digit number, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So divided by 1000. Okay, so just strike out the 3 zeros. Here also 3 zeros. So how many digits are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1 and 4 zeros. So 1 and 4 zeros. So okay children, so insert the comma 1, 2, 3 and then input comma and then 1, 2. Okay children, so in a crore 10,000 times we are having thousands. Okay children, like this also you can find, or else you can leave. Okay, 10,000 na 4 digits, 4 zeros irukkum. In 1 crore we are just hiding the 4 zeros and we need to write the remaining terms. Okay, can you all understood? So let me teach you as like this. Okay, so it is 1 crore. We need to find how many 10,000s are there in 1 crore. So just put 10,000 here. So 10,000. So we are having 4 zeros. Okay, we are having 4 zeros, so that we can strike out 4 zeros, and here also we can strike out 4 zeros. So how many digits are there? 1000. We are having 1000, right? So we are having 1000 times 10,000 in a crore. Okay children, we are having 1000 times 10,000 in a crore, in 1 crore. Okay, and then lakhs. How will you find lakhs? How many crores are there in a lakhs? So lakhs means how many digits? It is the smallest 6 digit number, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So how many zeros we are having? 5 zeros, right? So I am just cutting 5 zeros in the denominator as well as in the numerator. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we are getting? 100. Okay, so 100 times lakhs. Okay, there are 100 times lakhs in 1 crore. Okay children, so let us find for 10 lakhs. Okay, so crore we know it is an 8 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 digit number. So divided by 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is a 7 digit number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay children, so that we are having 6 zeros here. So strike out the 6 zeros, and here also we need to strike out the 6 zeros, so that we are getting 10. Okay, so 10 times 10 lakhs are there in 1 crore. Okay children, so 10 lakhs are there in 1 crore. Okay children, so this is the thing, it was filled in the book, right? It was filled in your book. So we are going to complete all these boxes. Okay, so let us do as like this. So in 10 lakhs means it is the smallest 7 digit number. Okay, 10 lakhs is the smallest 7 digit number. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it is the smallest 7 digit number. Okay children, so first of all we need to find ones. Ones means we need to write the 10 lakhs as it is. Okay, அப்படியே 10 lakhs அங்க எழுதிரலாம். Okay children, so it is the smallest 7 digit number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, comma எப்படி போடுவீங்க? Okay, we need to count from the right to left. First of all, we need to count 3. Okay, just count 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, count 3 and insert comma. And again, we need to count 2. 1, 2 and then put comma. Okay, and then 1, 2. That's it. Okay. So we are going to find how many tens are there in 10 lakhs. Okay, so tens means we need to put 10. Okay, so we can strike out the zeros. So here we are having only one zero, so that we are striking out only one zero in 10 lakhs. Okay, so what we are getting? So 1, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 zeros. So 1 and then 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 zeros. Now insert the comma. First of all, from the right we need to count 3. 1, 2, 3. Insert comma. Okay, and then count 2 and then insert comma. Okay, children. So we are having 1 lakh times tens in a 10 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh times tens in a 10 lakh. Okay, so let us find for hundreds. Okay, hundreds. So how many hundreds are there in 10 lakhs? So it is 10 lakh. Okay, it is the smallest 7-digit number. Okay, divided by 100. Okay, so we are going to find for hundreds, right? So that put 100. Now strike out the zeros, 2 zeros, and then in 10 lakhs also we are just striking out 2 zeros. So how many zeros we are having? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 zeros. So write it here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now insert the comma. 1, 2, 3. Just put comma and then count 2. So 10,000 times hundreds are there in 10 lakhs. Okay, 10,000 times hundreds are there in 10 lakhs. Okay, so let us find for thousands. Okay, let us find for thousands. So 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number, right? It's the smallest 7-digit number. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, smallest 7-digit number. So we are going to find for 1000, right? So that we need to put 1000 here. Now we can strike out the zeros. Okay, 3 zeros. So here also we can strike out 3 zeros. So how many digits we are having? We got 4 digits. Okay, 1000. So there are 1000 times thousands in 10 lakhs. Okay, there are 1000 times thousands in 10 lakhs. Okay, so let us find for 10,000. 10,000. Okay, $10,000. So this one is 10,000, right? So let us strike out the zeros. Okay, so 4 zeros we are having, and in 10 lakhs also we need to strike out 4 zeros. So how many digits we will get? 100. Okay, so there are 100 times 10,000s in 10 lakhs. Okay, there are 100 times 10,000s in 10 lakhs. Okay, children, and then let us find for lakhs. So 10 lakhs, it is the smallest 7-digit number, is it? It is the smallest 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it is the smallest 7-digit number. So we are going to find for lakhs. Lakhs is a 6-digit number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, lakhs is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, children. So we are having 5 zeros here. Just strike out the 5 zeros, and in 10 lakhs also we need to strike out the 5 zeros. So that we will get 10. Okay, so there are 10 times lakhs in 10 lakhs. Okay, children. So it is the answer. You can copy it in your book. Can you all understood? So let us find for a lakh. Okay, so in a lakh, okay, lakh, we know it is a smallest 6-digit number. Okay, so we need to write a lakh in one's place. Okay, so a lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children, a lakh is a 6-digit number. Okay, so let us insert the comma. So 1, 2, 3, put comma and then count 2. 1, 2 and then put comma. So it is 1 lakh now. Okay, it is 1 lakh. So let us find how many tens are there in a lakh. So we know a lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Divided by tens means we need to put 10. Okay. So just strike out the zeros, 1 and 1. So how many zeros are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children. So there are 10,000 times tens in a lakh. Okay. There are 10,000 times tens in a lakh. Okay. Insert the comma. Count 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Just insert comma and then 1, 2. Okay. So there are 10,000 times tens in a lakh. Okay children. And then we let us find for hundreds. Okay. So we know a lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So let us say the place value also. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. Okay. So it's lakh. We are going to find how many hundreds are there in a lakh, right? So 100 means we need to put 100. Strike out the zeros. Okay. Strike out the zeros. So 2 zeros and in lakh also 2 zeros. So how many zeros are remaining? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we can write 1000. So there are 1000 times hundreds in a lakh. Okay, there are 1000 times hundreds in a lakh. Okay, children. So let us find for thousands. So lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, it is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, so how we are going to find how many thousands are there in a lakh. Okay, so just put 1000 here. Okay, so strike out the zeros in thousands, so 3 zeros. So that here also we need to strike out 3 zeros. So that there are 100 times thousands in a lakh. Okay, 100. Put 100 here. Okay. So let us find for 10,000s. Okay. Children, can you all understood? So if you are finding for lakhs means we need to write lakhs. Lakh divided by 10,000. Here we are going to find 10,000, right? So lakh divided by 10,000. So lakh means it is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, so 10,000. So it is the smallest 5-digit number. Okay children. So let us strike out the commas. Strike out the zeros. Okay. So 4 zeros we are having here, right? So just strike out the 4 zeros and here also just strike out the 4 zeros. So what will you get? 10, right? So there are 10 times 10,000s are there in a lakh. Okay. There are 10 times 10,000s are there in a lakh. Okay children, so let us find the next 2 boxes. So we are going to find for 10,000. Okay, so how many 10,000s are there in ones? We need to put the same 10,000. 10,000, it is the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, so let us write the smallest 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so it is the smallest 5-digit number. Okay children, so let us insert the comma. 1, 2, 3. Okay, insert comma and then count 2. So it's 10,000. Okay, so let us find for tens. Okay, so how will you find 10,000 divided by tens, right? We are going to find for tens, is it? So tens, 10,000 divided by 10. So 10,000, it is a 5-digit number, we know, right? So divided by tens, put 10. Okay, just strike out 1 0 and here 1 0. So what will you get? You will get 1000. Okay, so there are 1000 times tens in a 10,000. Okay children, so let us find for hundreds. Okay children, so likewise the remaining all the boxes are your homework. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all these boxes are your homework. Okay children, so do your homework properly. Okay, so let us see the next example. Okay, example 1. Take your classwork notebook. So children, take your book, page number 26. Take your book, page number 26. Can you see example 1? So, see the abacus. So, you can see, right? So, just count. See, in ones place we are having only 1, right? So, that 1. And then in tens place we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. So, 4. Okay. And then in hundreds place we are having 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3. And in thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's what the abacus is showing us. So it's showing the number 7341. Okay, so what is the number name for this? Let us write the number name. Okay, so see the abacus. So it just, the 7 is in the place of thousands, right? So that we can write, we can say the place value first. So it's in the place of ones, okay? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, okay? So if you have any doubt, you can see the abacus which was drawn here, okay? In your book, okay? See, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, right? So that here it is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, okay? So how will you write the number name? 7,000. Okay, 7,341. Okay, children. So write the number name. $7,000. Okay, we are having 3, right? So 300 and THREE 3 HUNDRED 341. Okay, FORTY 41. Okay, children, and then let us see about the expanded form. So how will you expand this? We know it is 7,000, right? It is in the place of thousands. So it is in the place of 100, okay? It is in the place of tens and it is in the place of ones, okay? So let us expand this, okay? So expanded form. So just see, we are having 7,000s, okay? So write 7,000s. 7, put the number 7, it is in thousands place, okay? Thousands. ठीक है, HUSANDS, okay? Just put plus, okay? And then 300s, okay? Write 300s. HUNDREDS, okay, children? And then see here 4 tens, okay? Put plus and write 4 tens. Okay, children, can you all understood? And then see 1 ones, okay? So 1 ones. Okay, how will you expand this? See, 7,000s. Okay, we know 1,000 means we have 3 zeros, okay? Or else we can hide the 7 now. Okay, for thousands we can count the digits 1, 2, 3. How many digits we are having? 3 digits, right? So that we can put 3 zeros, okay? So it is 7,000, okay? We need to put 7 into 1,000, okay? And then put the plus sign and then we are having 3 hundreds, right? So just hide 3. Now count the digits 1, 2, okay? So we need to have 2 zeros, okay? So into 2 zeros, okay? 3 into 100, okay? And then 4 tens, put the plus and then 4 tens, okay? So just hide 4. How many days we are having? Only 1, right? So that into 10. So we need to have only 1 0. And then at the last we are having plus 1. Is it clear? Very easy, right? So this is the answer. Okay, children? So just copy this in your notebook. Simply we can count and write. First of all, 7. Just hide the 7 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay, children, just put plus and then 3 hundreds, right? So just hide 3, 1, 2. Okay, so just insert 2 zeros. Okay, 2 zeros. And then 4 tens. Okay, just hide 4 and how many digits are remaining? 1. So only 1 0. Okay, 40 and then plus 1. Okay, and then after that what we can do? So 7 and we are having 3 zeros, right? So that 7 into 1000. Okay, we are splitting this. And then after that put plus and 3 into 2 zeros, so that 100. And then put plus and then here we are having only 1 0. So 4 into 10 and then 1. Okay, children, so this is the answer. You can copy this in your notebook. So children, after completing this, let us try this in that example 1. Okay. So have you all copied this in your classwork notebook? Okay. So children, read the question. So add 4 tens, 2 thousands to this number. So the number is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let us insert the comma and read that. Okay. Say the number name. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So just count 3 digits from the right to left. So that 1, 2, 3. So insert comma and then again count 1, 2, insert comma. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Okay. So 3,45,678. Okay. So we are going to add this with 4 tens and 2 thousands. Okay, children. So we are having ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and then lakh. Okay. So let us write this number here. Okay. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, children. So this is the number, right? So with this we are going to add 4 tens and 2 thousands. Okay, 4 tens and 2 thousands. Okay, we need to add 4 tens in the tens place. Okay, here it is tens place, right? So that we need to put 4 and 2 thousands. 2 thousands we need to write here. Okay, so for all the other terms we need to include 0 and 0. Okay, children. So let us add. So how will you add? 8 plus 0? 8. Can you all understood? So the number just given in the question is this. Okay. So with this we are going to add 4 tens, 2 thousands. Okay. So 4 tens in tens place we need to include 4 and in thousands place we need to put 2. Okay, children. So that for the all other places we are just putting zeros. Okay. So that 2040. Okay, children. So 2040. So we can add it very easily, right? So 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 4, 11, right? So put 11. So just 1 here and 1 on the top. Okay. So 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. And then 5 plus 2, 7, right? So how will you add? 5 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. Likewise you will add, right? So add and write. Okay, children. So 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, and then 4 here, if there is no digits means we can consider it as 0. So 4 plus 0, 4. Okay, and then 3 plus 0, 3. Okay. So what is the answer? So 347718. Okay. So how will you read this number? First of all, it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. Okay. So 3,47,718. Okay, children. So you can write in the number name also. Okay. So the answer is this, and we can write it as 3 lakhs. Okay, 3 lakhs 47 47,718. Okay, 718, EIGHTEEN. Okay, so you can copy this in your classwork notebook, children. Children, can you all understood this? Okay, very easy, right? Simply a number was given, and also we just add 4 tens and 2 thousands. Okay, I just put this 4 in tens place. Okay, tens place la 4 potta and thousands place la 2 potta. Okay, children, so that in our remaining places I just put zeros. Okay, so that I got 2040. Okay, now we can add. Okay, simply we got the answer as 3,47,718. Okay, children. So children, note your today's homework. It is from page number 28 and 29. Okay, it is from activity 1. Here see activity, we are having activity 1. So this is your homework. Okay, so already they had given a number from the abacus given below. Okay, so you should write the expanded form, and also you should do this, try this. Okay, and then in page number 29 you are having activity 2. Okay, so in this activity you should find the answer from this abacus. Okay, you should find the answer from this abacus by counting the beads. Okay, the beads count panni numbers என்னன்னு எழுதிட்டு should find the expanded form for this. Okay, children, that is your homework. Okay, do your homework properly. Thank you.